Welcome to Visionlink. If you don't have a login, please contact product_applications at yancybros.com for help setting that up. In this video, we will cover how to use Unified Service. Unified Service is the application within Visionlink to monitor your fleet's health, maintenance, and location. You can get to it from any other application by clicking on the icon with 9 small boxes in the top right corner, then selecting Unified Service. The icons on the left of your screen can be clicked to access the Health, Maintenance, and Location tabs. The Health tab contains a snapshot of your fleet showing fault codes, fluid analysis, and inspections. You can edit this view on any of the subcategory tabs by clicking the 3 dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings. From there, you'll be able to edit what information is displayed in your fleet overview. To set up a report for this information, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Generate Report. You will be able to export a report for the current information or generate a report that will be automatically generated at a time of your choosing. The Maintenance tab shows upcoming or overdue preventative maintenance items for your fleet. From there, you can edit service schedules, order parts for the service, or mark complete. To set up a report for this information, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Generate Report. You will be able to export a report for the current information or generate a report that will be automatically generated at the time of your choosing. The Location tab gives an overview of the current location of your fleet. You can select an asset from the map, and it will show outstanding alerts on a single machine, such as fault codes and inspections. To find the location of a specific asset, you can search the serial number or asset ID in the search box on the top right of any screen. Doing so will display that single asset's information. The tabs on the upper side will be exclusively for that asset. If you have any questions or need any extra help navigating Unified Service, please email product_applications@yancybros.com.